I like also making guacamole. Usually I'll put like some coconut milk in it with the avocado. I will put apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, a whole bunch of herbs, some dill weed actually tastes really, really good in this. I make it like real citrusy, like very lemony, like tangy. Tastes wonderful. So I really, really like that. And I've got some great recipes on my website. I got the chocolate mousse, creamy lemon superfood guacamole recipe. We've also got a great pesto that we make out of it as well. So you can check that out. Just look up avocado pesto on drjockers.com. It's amazing. You guys will love the pesto recipe. Pesto is just so good, right? I thoroughly enjoy it. With the avocado in there, it's great. We also have a chicken avocado soup. So you can actually put avocado in soups as well. We usually put it in, if it's a hot soup, like right at the end, just add more healthy fats and it brings more nutrient absorption out of the soup that you're consuming as well. You don't need to boil it in the soup. That actually isn't good. But if it's a warm soup, you put it in right at the end. Now you can also put it in a food processor or a blender and make a cool soup, like a springtime or summertime soup. So we have a creamy cucumber soup that tastes wonderful. A lot of different herbs and lemon juice and things like that in there. Tastes really good. We also have a cashew avocado soup. That's also a cold soup, right? It's one that you just kind of put in a blender or a food processor, blend it up and taste really good.